If you're connected to the internet in your computer via an Ethernet cable, and if you want to set a mobile hotspot, then you can easily do that by going around over here where you see the network icon right here. So once you click on this, what happens is that you have an option right here which says mobile hotspot. So once you click on this, what happens is that mobile hotspot is created, as you can see right here, and it is in the name of TutorTube right here. You can right click and go to settings right here. And once you go to settings, you can see that this is what you have. So right now it says share my internet connection with other devices, and it is actually shared out as TutorTube right here, as you can see. You can go around over here and click on edit, and you can change the name of the network as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say TutorTube Wi-Fi right here. You can go around and change around the password that you want to use as well, and go around. So it says at least 8 characters is necessary, so you can go around and press save. And what happens is that the Wi-Fi is actually there for everyone else in the surrounding to use with the network password provided. You can see that around 8 devices can be connected over here as well. And then what you can do is you can keep track of them by seeing this option over here as well. You also have a power saving option right here, which says when there are no device connected, automatically turn off the mobile hotspot. So it will detect it out and turn off the mobile hotspot if nothing is connected. And whenever it is connected, however, it is turned on. So that is how you can set up a mobile hotspot. And if you want to turn off the mobile hotspot, you can go around and turn it off by clicking on this icon right here, or by clicking on this switch right here. So that is how you can work around with mobile hotspot inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.